Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of K-pop. So have you ever seen a leader who does not need to shout to command attention? Someone whose silence feels louder than words, whose eye alone can tell a whole story. Today we are diving deep into the journey of AJ, group member, leader and team. The charismatic leader who has captured fans worldwide with his mysterious aura, sharp visuals and unstoppable dedication. Born as Byeon Yui Jo on September 7, 2002 in South Korea. EJ grew up like many ordinary teenagers, but behind that calm expression was someone carrying extraordinary ambition from a young age. He showed discipline, focus, and a personality that naturally made people trust him. That quiet confidence would later become one of the biggest reasons fans admire him today. Before entering the world of K-pop, EJ spent years training himself mentally and physically. Studying tall at 184 centimeter, he already had the visual of a star. But visual alone are never enough in the competition Korea entertainment industry. He had to sacrifice comfort, sleep, and normal teenage life just to chance one dream becoming an idol. When he is joining the survival show Island, millions of views noticed him immediately not because he was the loudest contestant but because of the calm energy he carried in an industry filled with intense competition and emotional pressure. EJ stayed composed. Even during difficult moments, he showed maturely far beyond his age. Many contestants on survival shows try hard to stand out. EJ was different. He did not force attention or himself. Instead, people naturally looked at him, his expression, leadership, and stage presence create a mysterious charm that made audience curious about him. But his journey was not easy. There were moments of double pressure and fear of failure. Every train know the pain of uncertainty. You can train for a year and still never debut. That EJ continued moving forward with precision. That precision inevitably paid off when he debuted as the leader of NT. Being a leader in a K-pop group is not just about standing in the center, it means carrying responsibility for every member. A leader becomes the emotional support system of the team, the solve conflicts, motivate others, and protect the group during difficult time. And this is where EJ truly shine. Fans often describe him as a dependable, gentle, and emotionally intelligent. Even his members have talked about how comforting his presence feels. He may look cold or intimidating at first glance, but behind the stylish image is someone deeply crying toward the people around him. One of EJ's strongest qualities is balance. On stage, he is transformed completely. His eyes become intense, his movements sharp, and his charisma almost cinematic. But off stage, he becomes soft-spoken, humble, and playful. That contract makes fans even more attached to him because it feels authentic rather than manufactured. Another reason fans love EJ is work ethic. K-pop idol face brutal schedules, endless rehearsal, recording interviews, performance, and constant public scrutiny. Despite all of this, EJ continues improving himself every comeback, so growth in confidence, stage control, and emotional expression. His representative color is blue, and honestly, it fits perfectly. Blue often symbolizes calmness, trust, depth, and stability. Exactly the kind of energy EJ given to fans in his team. Even his personality type, ISTJ, explain a lot about him. People with his personality are usually organized, loyal, practical, and responsible. Fans can clearly see those qualities in the way he leads and team and interacts with members. But face the most powerful thing about EJ is the emotional connection he creates without speaking too much. In modern entertainment, many people try to be louder to gain attention. EJ proved the opposite. Sometimes silence can be magnetic, sometimes calmness can become power, and sometimes the strongest leaders are the ones who don't need to constantly remind. After that, they are leader as N team continues growing globally. AJ influence keep expanding to fans admire not only his visual and performance but also the emotional comfort he provides. In many ways, he represents a new generation of idol, talented, emotionally aware, disciplined, and quietly inspiring. And that is only the beginning of his story because stars who rise through patience, discipline, and authenticity don't fade easily. They grow strongest with time. So whether you discover EJ through Island, through and team performance, or simply because one photo caught your attention, one thing becomes clear very quietly. EJ is not just another idol. He is the calm storm standing at the center of N team. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.